Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Chrissy M and welcome back to my channel, you guys. Alright you guys, so for today's video, I'm actually going to be doing a full face makeup tutorial using Morphe products. I recently purchased the 35C Everyday Chic palette, you guys, and I am so excited to be using this palette because I love the colors first and foremost. So before we get to this video, you guys, if you have not already yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys go right now, click the subscribe button and that bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos, you guys. Make sure that when you guys click the subscribe button, you go to that little notification button down below and just hit it. Just hit it, okay? Hit it. And also, you guys, leave your comments down below. If you guys are loving the video, make sure you guys are thumbsing up the video. Drop some comments down below. I would like to have you guys' feedback, and let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, you guys, so Morphe has been having some great sales, first and foremost. They've been having some, new products come out, but nothing really major. The 35C Everyday Chic palette, you guys, was one of the newest palettes that was out there, and so I wanted to try it. So let me first of all show you guys this palette, okay? I love the colors, first and foremost. I think that these colors are so perfect for fall, especially. You have 35 shades here, you guys, and as you guys can see, we have some mattes, we have some metallics, and we have some sparkles. I do not know exactly how many of each, but I will make sure to tag everything down below in the description or in the description box, that way you guys can actually see it. But aren't these colors just so gorgeous? Like, I had to get my hands on it. So I started touching some of them, last night, but these are so cute. So you guys, I don't know what kind of makeup look I'm going to do. I know that I'm going to do a cut crease because I haven't done a cut crease in a long time. So we're definitely going to do a cut crease today. But I also want to show you guys, I don't know if you guys know, if you watch my channel, if you watched me for a while, you guys know that I've been looking for a bomb-ass primer for my eyelids to make my eyeshadows pop. So I actually went and picked out the P. Louise. It's like a base, like a color, base color. This is what it looks like, you guys. So if you guys have never heard of that brand, it's supposed to be really good. I won't know until I actually try it on, but this is what it looks like. The color that I got, you guys, is Rumor 04. So it's pretty light, and I want it to be light because, again, I want my eyeshadows to kind of pop. And I also picked up the Morphe Eyelid Primer. So we're going to prime it with both of them to see how it works. Hopefully I don't make a big mess of myself, but I definitely want to try out a new primer to see what looks good on the eyelid. So I'm going to go ahead and do the Morphe first. The Morphe looks like it's a color. Okay, let me look at the other one. Alright, you guys, so there are two different colors, two different shades here. The Morphe one is way lighter than the P. Louise. So we're going to just try both on the eye just to see which one really gives me a nice, brighter, Okay, so the Morphe one, you guys, is just pretty much like a primer, almost like my not Urban Decay, my other one that I normally use. So it doesn't really like show up poppy, it just kind of primes the eyelid, which is fine. Okay, let's try the P. Louise, you guys, because yeah, that didn't do nothing for me. I'm trying to get some color. I want that color to pop, and hopefully with the P. Louise, hopefully I got a light enough color. Because P. Louise, you can use that for anything else too that you have. So let's see. Alright, you guys, so I like the Morphe eyelid primer because it's translucent, so you can get it on there just to kind of prime before you add on the P. Louise. So the P. Louise, you guys, comes in a variety of different colors. I think the lightest is like a white, so if you're that type of person where, again, you're trying to get like the shimmers or the metallics to kind of pop out, the white was probably the best. Plus, you can use these as like almost like a shadow in a sense, you know what I mean? To kind of give you like a nice base. So I would highly recommend it. I would tag these two down below for you guys. They're not too thick, especially the Morphe. The Morphe's not really thick at all. The P. Louise has a little bit of texture to it, which is great because you want it to stick on there and you want it to last and your eyeshadow to pop. So Super good, you guys. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and get into this palette. Again, I don't know what I'm going to be doing, you guys. I just know that I'm going to do a cut crease. But I'm probably going to do more of a fall look. You know, I'm probably going to get like a fall vibe. And the brushes, you guys, they have a number. I will make sure I will tell you guys. And I will also put it down below because I know some of you guys will ask, like, what brush is that or what are you using? So definitely will post it down below. But let's do like a nice cute little fall look. And we're going to do a cut crease and then we're going to, you know, get into the foundation. So I'm actually going to be using a, let's see, they have names. Total Mood is like more of a burgundy color, you guys. So I'm going to go in with this color here. And I'm going to use this side of the brush. You guys, this is a Victoria's Secret brush. It doesn't have a number again. And I've used Morphe. I have Morphe palettes, so I know that they're not as pigmented. So we're going to see if I'm going to have to like build this up some.
Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need.
And you guys, I'm just doing like little taps. Like I just want to do like little taps because I'm trying to build that up. And I can tell already, you guys, with me using the primers, using both of them at the same time, the color is not leaving any fallout and the color is actually sticking on to my eyelid, which is what I want when I am doing an eyeshadow look. You can always build up your shadows, definitely. If you have a great primer, you can definitely build up your shadows.
Can I take you there?
Alright, you guys, so next we're going to go in with this peachy tone. Right here it's called Call Me Gorge. It is so pretty. Let's see if we can get a good color on that one. Right there, that is so gorgeous, you guys. Like, we're going to go in with that color, you guys, just to kind of like set this. Because we're going to do like a more of a smoky eye. And I wanted to really set it out a little bit, you know.
Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need.
Alright, you guys, so next I'm actually going to go in and do a nice cut crease. So if you guys can see my eyelids, I've kind of done like an ombre effect on my eyes. Now I'm going to go in with a cut crease. I'm actually going to be using this small of a brush to do my cut crease. I'm going to end up using it in between this brush, you guys, and I'm also going to be using my Morphe M224. So this is more rounded. I'm probably going to start off with this one first, you guys. I think this may be the best bet for me to do my cut crease. Yeah, we're going to use this one. Okay, so this is the Morphe M224 if you guys just want to know. I am going to be using the Infallible Full Wear. This is a concealer, you guys. This is actually my holy grail concealer. It's the color 385 Amber, and sometimes I will use it to do a nice highlight. So not today, but sometimes I do if I really want to have like this nice fierce highlight. But I'm going to put some on the back of my hand, you guys, and then we're going to do a mini cut crease. We're not going to go full drastic with the cut crease, but I just want to have a nice little cut to add on my glitter to my look. So done my cut crease, I'm actually going to go in with Talk of the Town. It is a pretty pink glitter. It's actually, come on, focus. Okay, so it's this color right here, you guys. I think that is so cute. I think it'll go really good in with the colors that I have on my eyelids right now. So we're going to go ahead and add that. And you guys, I'm actually going back with my Victoria's Secret brush. Again, it doesn't have a name to it, but I sprayed it with setting spray just so that I'm able to pick up this glitter. sometimes, you know, with these palettes, you know, the glitters, they just will fly away. So to be able to spray your brush with the glitter and then apply makes it stick and stay onto your eyelid. So
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we
guys, so I went ahead and I did my orange corrector and added my concealer because I wanted to make this makeup look all about Morphe. So right now, you guys, I'm actually gonna go in with my Morphe foundation and the concealer. So we can do like a little bit of a highlight, a little contour. We're gonna do a little bit of something here. Okay, yeah, you guys, so for the Morphe foundation, I am color 440. This is a matte foundation. This is actually becoming one of my favorite foundations, you guys. It's only $18. And again, you guys, I will tag everything down below. I have my damp beauty blender, you guys. I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit on there, and then we're gonna add it on, and then we're gonna move on into doing our nice highlight.
They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so.
Alright, you guys, so next we're going to do a little bit of our highlights and do some contour. So I'm actually going to be using the Morphe concealer. This is shade, let me see, 4.25, you guys, in the Morphe color. So I always go like maybe about 2 shades lighter than my actual foundation because I do want a nice highlight. So you guys, we're going to go ahead and apply that now. So we get like a nice highlight. Now we're gonna go ahead and blend that out, you guys. Alright, you guys, so next I'm actually going to go ahead and set that concealer, the highlight out with a banana powder. I am using the ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder. Guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and do my contour. I'm actually using the True Complexion by Black Radiance. I'm going to go on with the color Contour, you guys, just to do a nice little contour on my face. Like nice highlight, like some gold shimmer, just to kind of get those cheeks popping. I've already added a little bit at the nose and at the T-zone there, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do the cheeks, and I'm gonna add like a cute little lip, and we have to be done because it'd be too much going on. Too much going on. So I'm gonna use 2 different highlighters, you guys. I'm actually gonna be using the highlighter from the Black Radiance palette, the contour palette, and it is gold. And then I have my Victoria's Secret shimmer here. The brush that I'm using, you guys, I got it out of a subscription box, but it's just a brightening brush, and this is what it looks like. And again, all my brushes, everything, you guys, I'm gonna put down below so that way you guys can actually shop it if you do want to shop it. Because I feel like I have so many brushes, and I probably should do a video, you guys, on like brushes for beginners, so that way you guys can have some like easy brushes or some steps or some guidance on how to, you know, what brushes to use, you know, when you're just now beginning and getting into makeup. So definitely look out for that video. I think that's going to be so beneficial. beneficial for people who are trying to get into doing makeup. So, all right, you guys, this is my fan brush. It's like a little mini fan brush. It's from Morphe. It is Y13. That's the number of it. So if you guys want to go and check it out and purchase it for yourself, go for it. I love this brush because first and foremost, when you are trying to do a nice little, you know, shimmer there at the cheek highlight, it's gonna give you like the ultimate like highlight. I'm telling you guys, it's like my favorite, and it's so easy to like glide on and apply. So I'm just gonna dip a little of that in my shimmer. Ooh, and I'm making a mess. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do that, and then we're just gonna blend it out, guys. Alright, you guys, so now I'm actually going to be using a lip liner. This is Juvia's Place lip liner. This is from their new collection, you guys. So if you guys have not checked out that video or even tried it, definitely go on, because I think they had like a little sale on all their new matte lips and stuff like that. So this color, you guys, is Lush. And then we're going to go in with the Quavine. This is more of a lighter shade. This color is called like Thick Skin. And I think this is the right one. We're gonna see here in a second. All right, you guys, so first I'm gonna line my lip up first and foremost, and then we're gonna add that, kind of do like a nice little ombre. Makeup video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, if you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys go right now. Click the notification button so that way you are notified when I do upload videos, you guys. And also give your a thumbs up, you know, and make sure you share this with everybody. Leave some comments down below, you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video.